front of me is Doogee S70, and let me show you how to activate Wi-Fi calling on this phone. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, tap on More icon and click on Settings. Tap on calling accounts, then pick Play or any other carrier that you have and choose Wi-Fi calling. And as only you want to turn off Wi-Fi calling, just tap this indicator to enable this feature. And that's it. Then you can also set some calling preference, so just click here and it can be Wi-Fi or mobile preferred. So it's up to you. You can smoothly switch between modes, but I will pick Wi-Fi preferred. Obviously, whenever you would like to turn it off, just unmark the switcher. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can turn on and off Wi-Fi calling. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.